Hi, it's a fun built-in compass on the Samsung Galaxy A34. We need to open settings first and here go in the display tab. So now just scroll a bit to see the edge panels. Tap it to select and as a first step, enable by tapping on the switcher, and now you can see this line on the right side of the display, which is edge panel. So to use it, simply swipe it left and you will see the list of apps here, which you can immediately open if you tap it like that. And also with the help of the edge panel, you can make a split screen if you just select an app, drop it on the screen, and then choose the other app. And here is the split screen. But we are interested in the compass, so let's go back in its settings. And for the compass, we will need to go in the panels and select not only apps, but the tools as well. So simply put a check mark on it and save the changes by going back. And now to find it, we will need to swipe left and then swipe left again, and here is the compass. So compass will access your location data, and just tap the next button and tilt and rotate your phone back and forth to calibrate. Just like that. And after that, wait a few seconds and you'll be able to use your compass. Here you can see that it is calibrating at the moment, so after that you will be able to use it. And also you can tap on the three dots and switch to any other option from the list, for example this ruler. So this is how it looks. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.